Somewhere in this video, there's going to be a question. And if you answer this question, you'll be entered into a draw. Please answer the question in the comment section below. This is the prize. A magnetic dart set. Look forward to hearing from you on that. My name is Vernon John Ledger from the Right to Play in the Ground Level Youth Center. Today, I'm going to guide you through how to make yourself a self-care box. So first you want to think about things that can calm you, comfort you, or remind you to take care of yourself, or just things that have good memories attached to them. You want to look around and find your stuff and put it in your box or your bag. I've already done this, so I'm just going to share some of my stuff to share some kinds of ideas that you can use to create yours. Here we go. So for memories, I have some pictures here. This graduation reminds me that I did that. This is a trip to Nova Scotia that I did in 2000. I got lucky on that one. I got to go tall shipping. Mom and Dad made me a happy birthday cake of me playing guitar. There's a picture of me with the cake. Being a little funny about that one. More grateful now than I was then. Mom and Dad also made me a shirt of me busking downtown. And there's me. Mom and Dad had a really good sense of humor. And I have this little notepad that I'm also putting in there because the notepad has memories. It has my songs that I've learned and songs that I know, songs that I sing, little notes. And I have a little note here that my girlfriend made me. It's pretty good. It has nice little memories and other little things in it. It's really nice. So I have my journal. Medicines. I have some sage. You'll have some sage too. I also have this. This is a nice little thing. This is a letter from my mom. My mom's passed away, but she left these letters behind for all the kids. And this reminds me of my family because Mom did it for everyone, all of us. And another journal of mine, I just decided to pick this one up because sometimes I read through this one and it has a little notes on things that I've learned over the years. I also have these books. These are my favorite books. I have a lot of favorite books, but these books have good mental exercises in them. This one exercises your imagination. This one exercises your awareness and your perception. I have this stick. This is my first stick from when I was little. Picked it up and I used it as a walking stick, and my dad varnished it. I also have another stick I got from my vision quest I took. And this is a nice little prayer stick. It has a story behind it. And it brings back the memories and it reminds me that I did that. It's good to have these little trinkets. And I have these bags with rocks in them. I really like these rocks. And another bag of rocks. You don't have to have this many bags of rocks in your kit. It's just something that I appreciate. Some crystals. For my hands, I also have these little origami spinning tops that I've made. Just to remind me of cool things that you could do in origami and little fun toys. Jaw harp. With dreadlock, just because. Little more origami things, just for fun. You know, we've made these. And this is for the exercise sake. My brother, I thought these were his. These are some of the things I put into my self-care kit. I also put little snacks in there. There's these little ginger chews. They're just really nice, and peanuts. And I had a piece of chocolate, but I already ate it. And you know, there's also, you can put little notes for yourself in there, like, remember to breathe deep. You know, little things like that. I have that within my notepads and my journals. Self-care box. The question for this video is, what's your favorite item in your self-care box? Mine personally, it's really hard to pick a favorite. Just let me think about it. I encourage you to pick one. And if I were to pick one, it would be my bag of rocks.